Hi, this is Alec. I'm in Valley View on Granger, for those of you that know the Cleveland area, just west of Canal. So there's a big lot over here. And I know this lot very well because every year around Christmas time, the Pacella clan loads into their then minivan, now pickup truck to come here to get our Christmas tree. Day after Thanksgiving, Christmas trees show up, we get a tree. But this lot here on this beautiful late May day doesn't have Christmas trees, but it has bunch of vans. So I'm coming to get my lunch, see the vans, a little curious, bunch of white vans, nondescript. Valley Ford truck is located right kind of over there underneath 480 bridge. And they're relocating across the street. So I'm sure these vans are kind of overflow while they're kind of doing this relocation. Valley Ford is located right next to a leg of cement, which recently made news when it sold 28,000 square feet, sold for $3.2 million. But the interesting thing is 8 acres. The buyer was Skinnell Properties out of Indianapolis, who's made a big name here in the Northeast Ohio market. One more piece of the puzzle. I'm going to kind of spin around here again, and over on this side of the lot are a couple semis. Don't know if you can kind of see those tractor trailers parked there, but on the cab of those tractor trailers is that famous half smile of the big A. So, gang, I'm kind of starting to put all this together. Skinnell's done a lot of warehouse development. In fact, just applied for a 300,000 square foot warehouse at that Allega/Valley Ford assembly that they're doing. Skinnell's also done several warehouses for the big A, standing in a lot with a bunch of vans, Valley Ford, and a couple of big A trucks. Not saying I know anything, but a lot of times in this real estate business, where there is smoke, there is fire. And I certainly think that in this instance, something's cooking. Speaking of cooking, little extra for my viewers. A little strip center located right next to this. And right next to that Subway, I don't know if you can see the sign, Natalies. Natalies. Very small, really only open for lunch. The best Italian deli, I think, in Cleveland area. Great subs, great pizza. They have a stuffed hot pepper sub that is to die for. So, not to turn Guy Fieri on you, but little diners, drive-in and dive. Natalies, if you're certainly in this area, check it out. And now you have seen and smelled what I see at PVC. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Wonderful Memorial Day weekend ahead. Thanks.